Have you ever wondered if there's a simpler, more secure way to dive into the world of cryptocurrency? Perhaps you've been intrigued by Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the latest altcoin, but felt overwhelmed by the complexity of traditional crypto exchanges. Or maybe you're already investing in stocks and ETFs with a platform you trust and wish you could seamlessly integrate your crypto holdings into the same ecosystem. If any of this resonates with you, then you're in the right place. The cryptocurrency market, for all its revolutionary potential, can often feel like the Wild West. Volatility, complex trading interfaces, and security concerns are just some of the hurdles that can deter newcomers and even seasoned investors. Many platforms cater to the highly experienced trader, offering a dizzying array of advanced features that might be overkill for someone just looking to buy, hold, or maybe stake some popular digital assets. This fragmentation, where you manage your traditional investments in one place and your crypto in another, adds unnecessary complexity and can make it difficult to get a holistic view of your financial portfolio. Imagine a platform that strips away the unnecessary jargon and layers of complexity, presenting a clean, intuitive interface that makes buying and selling crypto as straightforward as buying a stock. Picture a service that prioritizes security, ensuring your digital assets are protected with industry-leading measures. And what if this platform seamlessly integrates with your existing investment accounts, providing a unified view of your entire financial landscape? This is precisely where Wealthsimple Crypto steps in, aiming to demystify crypto investing and make it accessible to everyone, especially those in Canada. Wealthsimple, a well-established Canadian financial technology company, has built a reputation for making investing simple and accessible. They've extended this philosophy to the crypto space with Wealthsimple Crypto, positioning themselves as Canada's first regulated crypto platform. This regulation is a significant differentiator, offering a layer of trust and oversight that isn't always present in the broader crypto market. For many, the idea of having their crypto investments overseen by a reputable, regulated entity provides a much-needed sense of security and peace of mind. But what exactly are the core features that make Wealthsimple Crypto stand out? Beyond just being regulated, what benefits does it offer to the everyday investor looking to diversify their portfolio with digital assets? Let's break down the key features that define the Wealthsimple Crypto experience, exploring how it aims to simplify, secure, and integrate your crypto journey. First and foremost, one of the most compelling features of Wealthsimple Crypto is its simplicity and user-friendly interface. If you've ever navigated a traditional crypto exchange, you know they can be incredibly intimidating. Complex order books, technical charts, and a multitude of trading pairs can quickly overwhelm even experienced investors. Wealthsimple Crypto, however, is designed with the average investor in mind. The platform is clean, intuitive, and remarkably easy to navigate, whether you're using their mobile app or the web interface. Buying Bitcoin or Ethereum is as simple as a few taps or clicks, removing much of the friction that often deters new entrants to the crypto market. This ease of use extends beyond just buying and selling. Managing your portfolio, viewing your balances, and tracking your investments are all presented in a clear, digestible format. For anyone who values a straightforward and uncluttered experience, Wealthsimple Crypto's focus on simplicity is a major win. Next up, let's talk about accessibility and integration within the Wealthsimple ecosystem. This is a huge advantage for existing Wealthsimple clients. If you already use Wealthsimple for your managed investing, self-directed stock and ETF trading, or even their high-interest savings accounts, your crypto investments seamlessly integrate into your existing Wealthsimple dashboard. This unified financial view is incredibly powerful. Instead of juggling multiple apps and platforms to see your total wealth, you can see your stocks, ETFs, and crypto all in one place. This not only simplifies portfolio management but also allows for a more holistic approach to your financial planning. Furthermore, Wealthsimple Crypto supports instant deposits, allowing you to quickly fund your account and seize market opportunities. The instant deposit limit can be quite generous, ranging from up to $50,000 for core clients to $250,000 for premium and generation clients, which is a significant benefit for those looking to invest larger sums without waiting for lengthy bank transfers. Of course, a critical aspect of any crypto platform is the range of supported cryptocurrencies. While Wealthsimple Crypto may not boast the sheer number of obscure altcoins found on some global exchanges, it offers a solid selection of over 100 popular and well-established cryptocurrencies. This includes major players like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, along with a diverse array of other widely recognized altcoins such as Cardano, ADA, Solana, SOL, Dogecoin, Doge, Litecoin, LTC, Chainlink, Link, Uniswap, Uni, and many more. This curated selection means you can access the most liquid and reputable digital assets without being overwhelmed by thousands of less known, potentially riskier options. For investors focused on building a diversified portfolio with established cryptocurrencies, Wealthsimple's offerings are more than sufficient. They also continually evaluate and add new coins that meet their standards, so the selection is always evolving. Now, let's address the elephant in the room for many crypto investors: fees. Wealthsimple Crypto's fee structure is transparent, though it's important to understand how it works, as it differs based on your client tier. Wealthsimple charges a trading fee on each buy or sell order. For core clients, this fee is 2%. For premium clients, who typically have over $100,000 in assets with Wealthsimple, the fee drops to 1%. And for generation clients, with assets exceeding $500,000, the fee is a competitive 0.5%. These fees are inclusive of any currency conversion costs between CAD and USD, keeping things simple. While 2% for core clients might seem a bit higher compared to some highly advanced, direct-to-market crypto exchanges, the trade-off is the unparalleled simplicity, integration, and regulatory security that Wealthsimple offers. For those with higher asset levels, the fees become significantly more competitive. It's crucial to weigh these fees against the overall value proposition, especially for those prioritizing ease of use and regulatory compliance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.